Okay, here we are seeing a level. Okay, here we are seeing a buyer's entry, again a seller's entry, again a buyer's entry. From this level, again a buyer's entry, again there is a rejection from this level. Okay, there is a level here, but we should check this level in the past history first to know the strongness of this level. Okay, there is a reversal point here also, here also, here also, here also there is a reversal point, here breakout, reversal, 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 breakout, breakout, here also a breakout. Okay, the market is respecting but not very strong, but this is also a type of strong level, but we should see the strongness of this level by seeing the past history first. Okay, the market broke this level, there is no reversal. Okay, there is a reversal. Okay, there is no reversal, so this is not a strong level, I think. Okay, there is a level, but this is not a strong level. Okay, I will remove this level first. Okay, there is no level here, there is no strong level here. I will change the pair. Okay, I will change two pairs here. Okay, here also. Okay, this one, I think I have already drawn this level. A reversal point, reversal point, reversal point, reversal point. It broke this level, again the market is at the level. Okay, reversal point, reversal point. I will adjust this level first. I think there is a level here, a reversal point. Okay, here also, here also, here also, here also. Okay, reversal point. Okay, this is a reversal point. I will change the level. Okay, we should change the level according to this market situation. Okay, there is a level. Okay, there is a level, here also there is a level. Okay, if you draw a strong level, you have three rules to trade on the strong levels. I will explain here. Okay, here also a strong level. Okay, I will adjust the level. There is a strong level here. Okay, this one is good level. Okay, here also. Okay, here also, here also. Okay, here also. I think this is a level. Here also, here also, here also. Okay, I think this is a level. This is a perfect level, a strong level. The market is respecting this level most of the time. It reversed, reversed, reversed. Again the market is at the level. It reversed here also. It reversed, it reversed. Here also it reversed. So this is a perfect level. Here also it reversed from this level. It reversed, it reversed, it reversed. So the market is respecting this level. So we can trust this level. We can trust this level. If the candle closed at this level, we can place our trade on the next candle. So we can place our trade on the next candle if we get any confirmation from buyers, because here the trend is uptrend, the minor trend is uptrend, so we can place our trade with buyers. We can place our trade with buyers from this level, but the candle should close above the level, above this level or above this level. So I will explain here 3 rules to trade at the strong level. The first rule is, so you should trade, always you should trade in the direction of the trend. So you should trade in the direction of the trend. You should trade in the direction of the trend. It means the trend is uptrend here, so you should place a higher option at this level. You should place a higher option in this trend. If you place a higher option, you will get more winning ratio. You place a higher option in uptrend. If you place a lower option in downtrend, you will get more winning ratio. So the first rule is this one, and the second rule is always place a trade at the strong level. Okay, this is a strong level, we already know this one. This is strong level. Always place your trade at this strong level. Okay, in this direction of the trend. The trend is uptrend. Place your trade at this strong level in this direction of the trend. Okay, these two points, and the third point is, the third rule is always trade with 15-second confirmation, because you can place your trade with 15-second confirmation in Olympic trade. If you are trading in IQ option, you can place with 5-second confirmation on 1 minute, but here you are here on the Olympic trade, so you have only 15-second confirmations. You have only 50 seconds in Olympic trade, so always trade in 5-minute candle with 15-second confirmation. In 15-second confirmation, I will show you here. I think I will show you. One minute I will show you here clearly. I think okay, this is a 5-minute chart, so we have 2 minutes, 2 more minutes here to place our trade. Okay, already we are seeing a confirmation candle here. This one, this is a right confirmation candle, so we can place our trade here. I think it may be late entry. Okay, let's place our trade here. Okay, I placed here a higher option, so this is a right, I will tell you here, a right confirmation candle. This one, this is the right confirmation candle. You can place your trade here. So this is a correct confirmation candle. If you place here with this confirmation, the mostly the market will close above your confirmation candle. This is a confirmation candle. I will tell you the reason here. Okay, this is a confirmation candle. a perfect confirmation candle. So this is a confirmation candle for this trade because a strong buyers enter in the market. If you place your trade with this confirmation, mostly you will get winning trade. Okay, I will show you in 5 minutes. Okay, this is a level. Okay, this is a strong level. The candle closed at the level, so you can place your trade with confirmation candle here in this direction of the trend. So mostly the market will give you a winning trade if you place with confirmation candle. This one, the candle will close above this confirmation candle mostly, because this is a right confirmation candle, and I will explain the reason here. Just wait. After closing this minute, I will explain the reason. I think 1 minute. I think 22. I think I placed my trade on the current situation. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is a winning trade, right? I think we have so many. Okay, the candle closed. I think I made a mistake here by opening my trade. I think this candle closed already above this confirmation candle. Okay, this is a confirmation candle. Okay, no problem, I will explain again. So you need to follow 3 rules here. The first rule is always trade in the direction of the trend. Okay, always trade in the direction of the trend. This is the first rule. Okay, can you hear me everyone? Can you hear me, Moharaja? Okay, so always follow the trend, always trade in the direction of the trend. It means if the trend is uptrend, always place a higher option, always place a up trade. Okay, that is the first rule. And the second rule is always trade at the strong level. Always trade at the strong level. The second rule is always trade at the strong level. Strong level means I already told you how to draw a strong level. So here this is a strong level. I will show you in 5 minutes. Okay, this is a strong level. Okay, actually this is a winning trade, but I don't know why I placed this trade. 22 already it completed. I think I don't know what happened here, because I am new to this platform. 7 minutes ago. Actually, I'm new to this platform.
Your expiration is for
Tomorrow.
yes, because the time you chose is for tomorrow.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, 1 minute. I will change the time here. I don't know what happens here. Yes, already it is a winning trade, but I don't know what happens here. This is a winning trade. This is a winning trade with confirmation, but I don't know what happens. Okay, no problem, because I'm new to this platform. I've been explaining on this platform because of you, only for you. That is the main problem here. Okay, no problem. So the first rule is always trade in the direction of the trend. In the direction means if the trend is downtrend, if the trend is wait, I don't know what happens. Okay, here if the trend is downtrend, always place a down option. Down option means lower option or a down option or a put option, anything. Okay, if the trend is downtrend, always follow this trend. This is the first rule, and the second rule is always trade at the strong level. The second rule, at the strong level. I already told you how to draw the strong level. If this is a strong level, one minute. If this is a strong level, always trade at this strong level. Okay, if this is a strong level, always trade at this strong level in this direction of the trend. If the trend is downtrend, always place a lower option at this level. If you want to place a lower option at this level, the market must break this level, and if market come to this level, you can place a lower option here. If you want to place a higher option at this level, the markets must be in higher in the uptrend. If market break this level, again come to this level, you can place here a higher option. So always follow the trend. If you want to place a higher option here, you need to follow this trend. The market must break this level. If the market break this level, 1 minute I will draw here. Okay, here. So this is the uptrend. If the market break this level, if the market come to this level, you can place your trade here. Or if the market break this level, if market come to this level, you can place here. Or if the market come again, if the market went up, again come to this level, you can place your trade. Or if the market break this level, if the market come to this level, you can place on this candle. So always follow the trend and trade at this strong level. And the next rule is always trade with 15-second confirmation. Yes, because you don't have 5-second confirmation in Olympic trade, right? You don't have 5-second confirmation in Olympic trade because you have only 50-second confirmation. It means you should trade on 5-minute chart. If you trade on 5-minute chart, you will get a good result. Okay, always trade on 5-minute chart and take 15-second confirmation on a strong level. I think okay, this is GBPST. 1 minute, I will check this level. I don't know what happens here. Tomorrow. Okay, I will close this daily here. Okay, I will close this daily. I think now I can able to see this chart. I will change this chart. I don't know what happens here. I will change. Okay, I think now it's okay. Okay. I don't know what happens here. Okay, no problem. So always follow the trend. Always follow the trend. If the trend is uptrend, always place a up option and always trade at the strong level. This is a strong level. If the candle close at this level, you can place a higher option with confirmation. And if the trend is downtrend, if the candle close at this level after breakout, you can place here a lower option with confirmation. So always trade with confirmation. I will show you how to trade with confirmation. Okay, the trend is downtrend here. There is a breakout candlestick. If we see any breakout candlestick, we can't place our trade. I will explain how to trade at the breakout candlestick in the next session. And if you see any breakout candlestick, don't place your trade. But if you see any candle close at this level, at the below these two lines or below this upper line, then place your trade with lower option. Or if the candle break this level, if the market come to this level, if the candle close below these two lines or below up above this lower line, then you can place a higher option with confirmation. So always follow this situation in the market. If you place your trade in the direction of the trend, you will get more winning ratio. So you can place your trade directly. You no need to see a confirmation every time. You can place your trade directly. If the market close at the level, you can place your trade on the next candle directly. But if you place your trade with confirmation, you will get more results. That's why I'm explaining about confirmation, and I will show you how to trade with confirmation. I will show you some examples, then you will get some idea. One minute, I will show you some example. Okay, I will come back, just wait. Okay, I think okay, here I will explain how to trade with confirmations here. I think okay, I will explain how to trade with confirmations here at strong levels.
Yes. Yes. It's fit. Skin skits.
Yes, I'm freeze too.
Now is it okay?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Good.
Yes, clear?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So okay, here I will show you how to trade with confirmations. Okay, 1 minute, I will show you, just wait.
برای منم
من
تصویرم
لگ دارم. من کلا لگ دارم.
مثل که خودشون فقط دوستان صدا الان قطع شد؟
بله صدا قطعه خیلی با لگ میاد بالا پایین صدا
Hello. Hello. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, see.
Okay. I will explain here how to trade with confirmation. Okay. First, you need to draw a strong level first. If you draw any strong level, then if the market close at the level, then you can place your trade. I will show you some examples, then you will get some idea. I think okay, here. So here I will explain. This is a 5-minute chart because you don't have option to trade on 1-minute chart because you don't have 5-second confirmation. That's why I made this video on 5 minutes. So you can trade with 15-second confirmation if you want to trade on 5 minutes chart. Okay, I will show you here how to trade on 5-minute candle with 15 minutes confirmation. Okay, now if you see here, the candle closed exactly at the level with rejection. The rejection is showing us the selling pressure in the market. Okay. The rejection is showing us the selling pressure in the market. The rejection is showing us the seller's entry in the market. It means already we are seeing a confirmation candles in this week. So we need a additional confirmation to go with sellers. We can place our trade directly without confirmation, but if you place our trade with confirmation, it will be very good. I will show you this level here. I have drawn this level. Okay. I think this level I have drawn already. Okay, here also there is a level, a strong level. Okay, I will show you this level. Okay, here this is a level, a strong level. Okay, on Euro AUD also we have a level. I will show you this level in 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, here there is a strong level I have already done. I have already drawn this level. I will share you this video, then you will get some idea on this video. Okay, here if this candle close below this level or below this level or between these levels, we will place on the next candle with confirmation. If the candle close below the level or if the candle break the level, we can't place our trade. Here also I have drawn this level. This is a strong level. Already we are seeing a buyer's entry. There is a buyer's entry in this candle. If the candle close above the level or above this level or above this level, it's not a matter. The market may close above this level or above this level, but if the candle close above this level or above this level, if we get any confirmation on the next candle, on this next candle, if we get any confirmation from 15 seconds, we will place our trade. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, I will show you here. If we get any confirmation, we will place our trade. I think okay, this candle I will show you here. We have 14 seconds. This is a strong level. You can see a strong level. Here also a strong level. This is a strong level. Already we are seeing a seller's entry. Okay, the candle close exactly at the level. We need a 50-second confirmation. Okay, if you get any confirmation here, we will place our trade. Okay, here we are seeing a confirmation candle here, a good confirmation candle. Okay, this is a good confirmation candle. We can place our trade here. because the candle closed above the level, just above the level, we can place our trade on the next candle because the candle closed above the level. Here, okay, I will show you here. Okay, here the candle closed, here the candle closed exactly at the level. We need a confirmation candle. If we get any confirmation candle, we can place our trade on the next candle. I will show you here. Okay, so this is a good confirmation candle. I placed here lower option. I placed here lower option directly because of this confirmation candle. So if we get any confirmation, first confirmation, not a second or third confirmation, not all candles are confirmation candles, only few candles are confirmation candles. I will tell you what are the confirmation candles. I will tell you, don't worry. So here I will show you this candle results here. I think okay, here I will tell you this candle results. We got 2 winning trades here. Okay, this candle, this is a confirmation candle, this one is a okay, this is a confirmation candle. The candle closed below the level. Okay, we are seeing we have only 5 seconds here. I will show you. Okay, these two are winning trades because of confirmation candles. The confirmation candles are, I will show you the confirmation candle. Okay, this is a confirmation candle. In this pair, a confirmation candle, and this is a confirmation candle in GBP USD. So here we are seeing, a winning trades on GBP USD and Euro USD. Okay, these two, Euro GBP and GBP USD, and I will show you some more trades here. Okay, and I will show you some more trades. Okay, there is a level, strong level, and here also it reverse, but here the candle broke the level. We don't have any opportunity. Here there is a level. Okay, there is a level. This is a strong level. I have already checked this level. So if the candle closed as a green candle, we can place our trade, because if the candle closed as a green candle, we can place a lower option, because the green candle will be a weak candle. We can place with sellers. If the candle is a red candle, it means the candle is a weak candle. Here the sellers are strong sellers. Here we are seeing a weak sellers. It means the sellers are not strong, so we can go with buyers again. But if the candle is a bullish candle, a weak bullish candle, it means no buyers are interested, or very weak buyers are interested at the sellers area, so we can go with sellers if the candle is a bullish candle. So we need to observe this candle code. I will explain this all things in the coming sessions, but if the candle closes at the level, the previous candle is very strong candle. If the candle closes at the level with a weak candle, we can place our trade on the next candle. And what I will show you. So here there is a level, this one, and here also. Okay, this is a level. Okay, here also there is a strong level. Okay, this is a level. The market is respecting this level. Okay, here also. Okay, the candle is a green candle and a weak candle. So we can place our trade. If we get any 15-second confirmation, but our target is 5 minutes. Okay, we are seeing a confirmation candle, so I placed here a lower option. Okay, I placed a lower option, and here we need a confirmation from sellers. Here also we need a confirmation from sellers. Okay, I will show you. Okay, there is a confirmation candle, a strong confirmation candle. Okay, I placed a lower option here. I placed a lower option. Okay, I will show you this candle's results. Okay, very strong sellers entry. Okay. Okay, we have 1 more minute. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, it went down. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, here so I got one item, one OTM, because the candle just closed. I will show you. The candle just closed above my enter point, that's why I got a item because of news. I will show you here. You can see there is a news release. There was a news release, that's why I got OTM here. You can see this is a 1 minute chart, a strong selling pressure in the market. There was a news, that's why I got a OTM. So sometimes you may get OTMs. It's very common because of late entries, but you no need to worry because of you no need to worry about late entries, but mostly you will get ITMs. Sometimes you will get OTMs. You can't predict the market very well 100%, but sometimes you will get OTM. So if you place your trade with confirmation, here you can see this is a confirmation candle. I placed here a lower option. This is a right entry point, a good confirmation candle. This is a right entry point. Okay, I will show you how to take a confirmation candle, how to take a right confirmation candle in 15 seconds here. I think here the market is not good. Okay, here I will explain about confirmation candles. Okay, here this is a good confirmation candle. Okay, I will explain. These are the right confirmation candles. These are the right confirmation candles. I will tell you, this one is a good confirmation candle. This is a good confirmation candle, a good confirmation candle. If you want to place a lower option, this is a good confirmation. If you want to place a higher option, this is a good confirmation. This is also a good confirmation for higher option. This is a good confirmation for lower option. A confirmation, a confirmation. This is also a confirmation for higher option. Okay, these are the confirmations for lower option and higher options. So you can take these candles as a confirmation. So, and I will explain the confirmation, not a confirmation candles. These are not a confirmation. These are not a confirmation candles. I will explain here. Okay, this is not a confirmation candle, a very weak doji candle, and this is a weak candle. If you want to place a lower option, this is not a confirmation. If you want to place lower option, this is not a confirmation. If you want to place a higher option, this is not a confirmation. this is not a confirmation for higher option, this is not a confirmation for higher option, this is not a confirmation for higher option, this is not a confirmation for lower option, this is not a confirmation for lower option, and this is not a confirmation for lower option. So because these are very weak candles, okay, these are the weak candles, so we can't trust these candles as a confirmations. We can't take these candles as a confirmation because these are the weak candles. Weak candle means these are the weak candles. It means there is no strength in it. There is no strength in it. So we can't trust this level. We can't trust these candles because these are the weak candles. Weak means there is no strength. We can't trust. If there is no strength, they can't move the price to go up or down. So we can't trust these weak candles. We can't trust this weak candle. We can't trust this weak candles. But we can trust these candles. We can trust the median candles. And one more thing, we can't trust the very strong candle also, a confirmation candle. Okay, here I will explain. Okay, here this is very long candle, very strong candle. We can't trust this candle. Here also there is very strong candle. This one we can't trust this candle. Very strong candle, we can't take this candle as a confirmation candle because the candles will work as a reversal sign in the market. These are the reversal signs in the market. If you see any strong candle, it means the market is now ready to go down. So the market may reverse after these candles. So we can't trust these candles as a confirmation candle. We can't take these candles as a confirmation candle. And one thing, if you place your trade with this confirmation candle, it may be late entry. So if you place your trade with late entries, you may get a loss in trades. So you can't trade these candles as a confirmation candles, and you can't take these weak candles as a confirmation candles because these are the weak candles. It means weak means there is no strength. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so these are the weak candles. If you see this type of weak candles, weak means there is no strength, we can't trust. The strong means there is a possibility to reverse, we can't trust. So we can trust a median candles as a confirmation candles, as I have shown you on this video. I have shown you in this video. You can take a good confirmation candles as a, you can take a median candles as a confirmation candle. I will show you here again. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, here you can see a good confirmation candle. So you can place a lower option because this is a strong candle, the trend is downtrend, we are seeing a confirmation candle, we can place a lower option here. So if you place a lower option, you can see this is a strong level. Here also this is a level, the candle closed above the level with rejection. The rejection is showing us the buyer center in the market, so we can place our trade with confirmation. So if you place our trade with confirmation, a good confirmation, not a weak candle, not a strong, very strong candle. If you place your trade with confirmation, right confirmation, you will get more winning trades. I will show you here. Okay, here I will show you. Okay, a good confirmation candle. Okay, a good confirmation candle here, and I will show you. Okay, this is a right confirmation candle. You can see very strong selling pressure. Okay, here also a right confirmation candle, a right confirmation candle here also. Okay, here the trend is downtrend, the main trend is downtrend. This is a strong level. Here also the candle closed at the level. I placed my trade with confirmation. So if you place your trade with confirmation, you will get winning trades. I will show you in 15 seconds here. Okay, this is a first confirmation candle here. In this candle, in this 5-minute candle, I am seeing a confirmation candle, a good confirmation candle here, and here also this is a good confirmation candle. So I placed my trade here. This is a late entry, but mostly we will place our trade here. If we place our trade here, it will be a winning trade. Most of the time we will get ITMs. Sometimes we will get OTMs. It's very common, but we don't need to worry about OTMs, because we will get 90% winning trades if you place our trade with confirmation. We can place directly without confirmation, but if you place with confirmation, it will be very good. We will get some good winning trades if you place our trade with confirmation. Okay, I will show you here. We have 5 seconds. You can see it went down. We have 10 seconds here. Okay, it went up. There was a rejection suddenly because of this news release. Because of this strong news release, there was a rejection suddenly. So, but if there is no news, we need to check the news also. But the news, because of this news, I got OTM, but mostly we will get ITM. If you place our trade with confirmation, we will get ITMs. So always place your trade at strong level, and always try to draw a strong level and place your trade with confirmation. Okay, this is very strong candle. This is also very strong candle. You can't take these candles as a confirmation, because these are very strong candles. You can't trust, because you can see here, very strong candle, the market reversed. Very strong candle, the market reversed. Not only in 15 seconds, you will see these type of candles in 1 minute, in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes also. The very strong candles will work as a reversal sign. 70% of the time the market will reverse after these strong candles. If there is any strong candle, it means the market is now ready to reverse. This is a strong candle, a sign of reversal, it reversed. Okay, here also a strong candle, a sign of reversal, and it reversed. So if you see this type of candles, you can't take these candles as a confirmation. You can take this candle as a confirmation. If you want to place a call option, you can take this candle as a confirmation. If you want to place a up option, this is a confirmation. If you want to place a put option, this is a confirmation. This is a confirmation for put option. This is a confirmation for put option. This is a confirmation for up option. but this is not a confirmation for up option. This is not a confirmation for up option. This is not a confirmation for up option, because these are very weak candles, and this is not a confirmation for up option. Okay, if you place your trade in the direction of the trend with right confirmation candles at the strong levels, you will get more winning trades. It means more than 90%, almost 90%, or more than 90% winning trades you will get. Okay, if you place your trades with confirmation at the strong levels. So you can place your trade without confirmation too. If you place your trade without confirmation, okay, this is a strong level, this is a strong level. If the candle closes at the level, you can place your trade without confirmation directly. But if you place your trade with confirmation, there are more chances to win, more than 90%. But if you place your trade without confirmation, you will get more than 70% win ratio. If you place your trade with confirmation, you will get more than 90%. So always try to trade with confirmation at the strong level. This is a strong level. The trend is downtrend. The trend is downtrend. It got support and reverse, and again the market is at the level. I placed my trade in this direction of the trend. The trend is downtrend. It broke this level. Again it got support. Again the market is at the level. I placed my trade in this direction of the trend with confirmation. So here also, okay, I will show you here. So always place your trade with confirmation. Show you. Okay, this is also a strong level. I have already checked this level. A strong level. There is a huge rejection from buyers. The candle closed above the level. I got a confirmation in this candle. So I placed here a higher option. So I will share this video, and I will share 2 days class video also, then you will get some idea. So always place your trade in the direction of the trend at the strong level with confirmation. You can place your trade without confirmation, without following the trend also. But if you follow the trend, if you follow this strong level, if you place your trade with confirmation, you will get more winning trades. Sometimes you will lose, it's very common, but you will get more than 90% win ratio if you place your trade with confirmation, because you don't have option to trade with 5-second confirmation like IQ option. That's why I am explaining this logic on 5-minute chart with 15-second confirmation. I hope you all get this point. If you get any questions on this topic, if you have any question on this topic, you can ask me now. Okay, do you have any questions on this topic?
Yes, I have a question, please.
Yes.
So the confirmation candle should be the first 15-second candle?
No, not for 50 seconds. So one minute, I will tell you one thing. I think you didn't get my point. Okay, here if you see, this is a first 15-second candle, this is a next 15-second candle, this is a third 15-second candle. But in this candle we are not seeing any bearish candle. In this candle also we are not seeing any bearish candle. Here we are seeing a bearish candle, and we are seeing a confirmation candle. This is a first confirmation candle. So we can place our trade with this candle, and 1 minute I will show you. I think 1 minute I will show you here. I will show you the confirmation here also. Okay, here also we are seeing a first bearish candle here. The trend is downtrend. We need a bearish candle. This is a bearish candle, but I didn't take this candle. I took this candle as a confirmation candle because this is a fast and a strong confirmation candle. This is not a confirmation. This is a bearish candle, but this is not a confirmation candle. The first confirmation candle is this one only, not this one. This is a bearish candle, but this is not a confirmation candle. But this is a bearish candle and this is a confirmation candle to place a lower option. That's why here I placed a lower option. You can see. I will show you a confirmation candle. I placed here a lower option. Clear?
Yes, thank you so much.
Clear? Okay. So
I have another question.
yes, ask me.
Is there a calculation for this? I mean, if you wanted to go to another broker that doesn't have maybe 50-second chart, what are we supposed to do then?
Now you will get 15 seconds chart or 5-second chart on every broker, but sometimes you will miss this 5-second chart only. Okay, you will get 15 seconds chart compulsory. If you get 15-second chart, always trade with 5-minute chart. Okay, the 5-minute chart is very good, and if you get the confirmation candle within the 2 minutes, the 2 minutes means within the 8-15-second candles. Okay, if you get the first confirmation candle within the 8-15-second candles, then you can place your trade. If you get a 15-second candle after 8 candles, then don't trade. Okay, after 2 minutes. Get it? Did you get it? No?
Okay, thank you so much. Yes.
Okay, no problem. I will explain again. 1 minute. So here, okay, this is the first 15-second candle, second one, third one. I got here a confirmation. Fourth one, fifth, sixth. Again we will get 7, 8 also. 8 15-second candle means this is a 2-minute candle. Within 2 minutes, if you get any confirmation candle, then you will place out your trade. If you get a 15-second confirmation candle after 2 minutes, then don't place your trade because it may be very late entry. Within 2 minutes, then you will place your trade. Okay, clear?
Yes, thank you. It's clear.
Okay, good. Yes, is there? Yes, ask me.
You said there are 3 rules for trading, and the first rule is we should trade in the direction of the trade, yeah?
Yes.
So I saw somewhere you traded in the direction of 50 seconds, and somewhere you traded in the direction of 5 minutes. Then which one you should trade?
You can go against the trend too, but if you follow the trend, it will be good. Okay, if you follow the trend, you will get more winning trades. If you can also go against the trend, it's not a problem. Sometimes I placed here in this video, I placed against the trend too. I got winning trades, but you need a good experience to trade against the trend. You need to know the strong level confidently. To know the strong level, you need some good experience. If you want to get some good experience, you need to practice more this strategy on the demo code first. Okay, then you will come to know the strong level first. If you have some confidence on your trades, then you no need to worry about emotions. Okay, clear? Okay, good. Is there anyone? What is it?
Yeah, I have one, sir.
Yes, Hassan.
That was
Yes, Hassan.
that was
Yes,
Can you share this video with us?
I will share. I, I will share to Mortaja. He will share with you. Okay.
Sure. All them, that's all you should all them.
Yes, Mortaja.
بخشید آقای مرتضی این سوال داشتم اونا بعد از هر شکست یا حالا پولبکی فقط یه دونه ترید میتونی باز کنی یعنی که اگه تایید نشده
هر تغییر روندی
نه بعد از هر برخورد یا فاصله ریزی البته فهمیدم که تا 8 تا کندل اگه تایید بود مجرد میتونی ترید باز کنی
اونو گفتن بستگی به تایم اکسپایر داره. تایم اکسپایر چند میذارید بعد میتونید تعداد کندل حساب بکنید. من بپرسم ازشون بگم تو هر روند چند تا ترید می‌کنید بزنید.
نه بعد از هر تاییدیه اگه باز کندل بعدم تایید کرد مجرد میتونی پوزیشن درست کنی
Question, sir.
Yes.
About the confirmation candle, you said if we see the confirmation candle and we place our trades, what if we see another confirmation after the first one? Can we place another trade?
Okay. Here, this is the okay. I know. I will explain here. This is a level. We need a bearish candle to go with sellers. Okay, because this is a strong level. The trend is uptrend. Okay, and the major trend is downtrend. So we should place here lower option. If we get any bullish candle, we can't place here a higher option because the trend is downtrend here. So we should follow this trend. And we need a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. Even if you get a bullish candle, don't place a higher option. Okay.
What if we see another bearish candle after this one? When we
This one.
yes. After we place our trade here, okay?
If we get this candle, if we get this bearish candle, a first confirmation candle, even if you get a bullish candle, don't worry, it will go down. Okay. Even if you get one or two bullish candles strongly like this, then it will go down. Don't worry. Mostly it will go down. Sometimes you will get loss in trades. It's very common. Mostly you will get items.
Okay.
Okay.
My friend means that can we place two trades in a row?
2 trades. What do you mean by 2 trades?
Like we place our trade on the first candle, then after the confirmation, okay?
Yes.
And we see that the trend is downtrend. Can we place another trade after the first one? I mean, 2 trades in a row.
Multiple trades.
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. I will explain. So you want to place here a lower option with $10. Again, you want to place here a lower option with $10, right? Like this,
Right.
right? Yes, you can place. You can place $10 directly, or you can place $100 directly. It's not a problem. Or you can place 10 trades with $10 directly. It's not a problem. Okay, but it's better to place a fixed amount on every trade. Okay, if you place a fixed amount, you will reduce your losses. Okay, always place a fixed amount.
Candle, the first trade has a winning ratio, right?
Yes, sir, you can place a second trade also, but don't place your second trade with second confirmation candle. If you want to place a second trade, you can place a first confirmation candle also. 2 trades. Click 2 times, you will get 2 trades, right? You will place 2 trades.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Don't place late entries. Okay.
Now, what we get if do you know, right?
بله
کسی هم سوال داره؟ بچه ها سوال نداره؟
Okay. Is there anyone to ask my questions?
اگه سوال نداری یه نو بگیم.
نه
No question here.
No question.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will share this video and I will share today training session also. Watch this training session and watch this video which I have shown you now the examples. Then you will get some idea on how to take a confirmation candle. This confirmation candle will help you to trade on SNR strategy, to trade on candlestick psychology too. The confirmation candles and the confirmation candle is nothing but a rejection in 5 minutes. I will show you here. I will complete this session. Okay, here, so there is a there is a 5 minute. I think I will change the pair. Okay, here I think I don't know what happens here. So you no need to say every time a confirmation. If you get a rejection, then you can also place a lower option with this rejection. So rejection for 15 seconds, because you have option only for 15 seconds, not 5 seconds. If you get any rejection strongly with 15 seconds, then you can consider this rejection as a seller's entry. Then you can place a lower option directly. So always trade like this. Wait, I will show you here. So here also, if you get any rejection or if you get any confirmation, then you can place your trade. So you can't get a confirmation candle on the 5 minute chart because you need a good experience to get a 15-second candle on 5 minute chart. Until you get a good experience, always trade with confirmation from 15 seconds. If you get some good experience, then you can automatically recognize the confirmation candle in 5 minutes candle also. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the confirmation is very important for you as a newbies. Until you get experience, always trade with confirmation. Okay,
Yeah.
clear? Okay, is there anyone to ask me questions?
Question.
Yes.
I see. Is it better to use Fibonacci retracement for drawing some of the resistance levels areas, or manually is better?
Yes, you can draw manually or you can use Fibonacci tool also. There is no difference. There is no difference. The Fibonacci tool will save your time. Manually you will get some difficult to draw a strong level. Fibonacci tool is best.
ببخشید سوال داشتم.
Yes.
این کندل تایید که میفرمان حتما باید از این ماهیه خارج شده باشه یا داخلش هم باشه. این چه اصولی؟
یعنی گفتن یا خط پایین یا بین این دو خط یا خط بالا. اون وقتی از اون خارج میشه از خط پایین تر میشه میزنه بهش میگن فالس بریک اوت. گفتن فقط توضیح میدم. میخوام بازم بفهمم. ولی این صحبتشو میگه.
Okay, I will explain about the false breakers. Yes, I will explain about false breakers tomorrow. Tomorrow's session is about false breakout. Okay.
من منظورم فالس بریکات نبود.
جان
منظورم بود که اون کندل تایید حتما از این بین دو خط باید خارج شده باشه یا بینش هم اشکال نداره.
sir, the confirmation candle,
Okay.
what if it gets out of the line, out of the
If the candle break the level, then don't trade. Okay. I will explain about how to trade after breakout in tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain how to trade after breakout. Okay. I will show you 1 minute. I will give you one example here. Okay, here. So here the candle closed below the level, then I placed my trade with confirmation. If the candle break the level, then don't place. Okay, then don't place. Today the topic is only if the candle close below the level, below this level or below this level. This is not a matter. Okay, if the candle may be close below this level or below this level, but if the candle close above the level, it is a breakout candlestick, then don't trade. Okay, I will explain how to trade after breakout tomorrow. Okay, today you can practice only if the candle close below the level. Okay,
جوابتون سوالتون نمیدونی؟
نه من کندل تایید منظورم
میشه من بپرسم اگه امکانش هست؟
yes,
Okay, sir, if the confirmation candle is inside those levels, you know what I mean? Or should go past by it?
if this candle close below this level or below this level, if you get
The confirmation
yes, I am telling,
16 seconds.
yes, I am telling that one. If this candle, the 5-minute candle close below this level, if you get a confirmation here, it's not a problem. Okay, above this level, if you get a confirmation even here, this is not a problem. Okay, there is no rule to get a confirmation here. Even if you get here, it's not a problem. You will take this confirmation also, even if you get a confirmation here also. Okay, but this candle, the running candle, must close below this level. If you get any breakout candlestick, you can't place your trade with confirmation. Okay, then leave it. If you get any confirmation candle, any breakout candlestick, then leave it. Okay, if the candle close below the level, if you get a confirmation candle here after 20 seconds or after 50 seconds, if you get a confirmation candle here, then place your lower option here. Clear?
yes. سوالتون همین بود. من ببخشید اشتباه سوال
بله بله بله
آقای شیستانستان نوشته بود در هست امشب که خودتون میدونید قطعی و وصلی زیاد داشت ایشون
میفرستن که یه دوبارشون حل کردن.
کلیپ ضبط شده رو که به ما نشون دادن نه فیلمی که بذاره همون کلیپ ضبط شده رو
نه فرمودن که تو جلسه
خیلی ممنونم
sir,
Yes, yes.
what's the best time of the day to trade?
You can trade anytime, but avoid a low value market and avoid to trade on news time. I will explain. Actually, I didn't explain. I have never explained to my batches how to trade on news trades, but I will explain you. Okay, don't worry. I will explain you how to trade on news time, and I will give you some examples too. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay, actually I have never trade lively in front of any batches, but I have traded now in front of you with confirmation, but I don't know what happened here because I am newbie to this platform. I traded with confirmation, but I don't know what happened here. I closed this deal. Okay, no problem, but you should trade like this. I have give you one I have traded you in front of you, and I gave you one example, and I gave you some I gave you examples on my video also. I have made this video only for you. I will share with you this video, and I have traded you in front of you also. I think I got ITM, but I don't know what happened here. So always trade with confirmation, you will get winning trade. Okay, clear?
بچه ها موافقه که در جلسه بعد آیتی درس بکنیم چون
آره باشه
آشنا نیستم sir,
Yes.
نه عرض کنم مهم کندلا فرق میکنه
sir, we see that you're not
Yes.
You can actually teach us on IQ option.
No. I will. There is no difference. There is no difference. Olympic trade candles and IQ trade candles also very. Uh, they are not same. They are same actually. We can trade on IQ option. We can trade on Olympic trade also. And I have made some videos on Olympic trade also, and I will share with you. Don't worry. Okay. There is no difference.
Thank you.
You can trade every candlestick. You can trade every candlestick on Olympic trade also. There is no difference. I will share with you also the videos. Okay. In the coming sessions.
Okay, but we are okay if you want. I can check out.
So, yes, I will explain on iCaption also. I will share the videos on iCaption also. But you told me to explain on Olympic trade, right? That's why I'm making these videos.
Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem.
I just remembered another question.
Yes, yes.
So, is it wise to go to MetaTrader for candles? Watch that and go to the platformers like Olymtrade or another platformer. So, if you trade there.
I didn't get you actually. What are you saying? Yes.
We look at MetaTrader and trade on Olymtrade.
MetaTrader. Yes, you can use MetaTrader, but the MetaTrader.
No problem.
No. Their logarithm and the Olympic trade logarithm and IQ option logarithm is difference. Okay. If you see a candle in Olympic trade like this, you will get a candle in a IQ option like this. Okay. And you will get a in MetaTrader the candle like this. Okay. So the logarithm of these candles are different. So we can't place our trade with by seeing the MetaTrader, but we will see the MetaTrader platform for confirmation because they will provide more than 100 indicators to trade on MetaTrader. Those indicators will help you, but I don't depend upon indicators because I will explain one thing and I will close this meeting. 1 minute. So here there are so many indicators. Those indicators will not give you a proper results, because if they give you some accurate results, the broker will never provide you these indicators because they don't want be in loss. They want be in profit only. They want be in profit means they must provide you a fake indicators. So these indicators will not provide you a accurate signals. So don't depend upon indicators. If they work, they won't provide you. Clear?
You're right.
Clear? So you can, yes, you can.
I wanted to say just the candles are different in another platform.
Yes, the candle is a main indicator. The candle will help you to trade. The candle will show you the direction of the market. Okay, if you know how to read the candle, then you will get some good results. Don't depend upon an indicator. You can use indicators too, but the indicator, you can use these indicators only for additional confirmations only. You can't you should not depend upon this indicator. If you depend upon this indicator, you will get more loss in trades. You will lose your trades. Okay, don't depend upon indicators. Okay, this is my suggestion only, this is my advice only. If you want to trade, you can trade, it's your wish. Okay,
No indicator.
okay, it's your wish, it's not a problem, but you can use, but it's only for additional confirmation only. Okay, is it clear? Okay, is there, yes, is there anyone to ask me questions?
Yeah, sorry, I did not read.
Yes.
No, thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay, welcome. Okay, I'm going to close this session. If you get any questions, you can contact me. You can ask Monteja. He will ask me, and I will join with you on online, and I will explain your doors too. You don't need to worry. I will give support after completion of this course too. I will give support, and I will explain more things. You don't need to worry. This all things will help you to predict the next candle. You should know all these things. That's why I'm explaining one by one everything. Okay, after completion of this course, then you will come to know some idea how to predict the next candle, and I will provide some videos on Olympic trade. I'm making every day a video on Olympic trade, and these are the private videos I will share with you. Then you will come to know how to trade on every candlestick on Olympic trade also, because the Olympic trade logarithm and the IQ option logarithm are different. So you will get some, if you see a bullish candle on IQ option, you can see a bearish candle on Olympic trade because of logarithm problems. You don't need to worry. Every candle has its own reason to form. I will explain everything. I explained. I made some videos also. I will share with you. You don't need to worry. But practice these all things every day, day by day. Yesterday I explained how to draw a strong level. Today I explained how to trade on strong levels. I will share this video also. Practice this. Practice these things every day to get some experience. At the end of this course, you will get more clear. Okay. Okay, I'm going to close this session. Do you have any questions?
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay, welcome. Okay, I'm going to close this session. Okay, good night everyone. Bye everyone.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay, okay, welcome. Bye.
Okay, good.
Good night. Bye.